Hello and welcome back to another tech tip tutorial. In this video, I'll be covering the basics of swapping tokens on Honeyswap. Make sure you watch till the end. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So the first thing I want to talk about is XDAI. So XDAI is the stable currency in Honeyswap. This would be in relation to having USD. So what does that mean? Let's check, for example, Honey. If I were to trade or swap one XDAI or one US dollar, I would receive 0.00088 of a Honey. And the current trading price that I will be getting will be 1132.61 XDAI or US dollars. So if we want to swap the currency, so if we're selling the Honey, for example, we'd be clicking here, right? And then XDAI is already selected. And as you guys can see, the amount of Honey here is worth $1.92 USD or 1.992 XDAI. Now the next thing I want to note here is, what do these coins and tokens mean? Let's just give an example. You guys obviously understand what Honey is, but I just want to give an example to what, say for example, an ant is. So if you want to find out what ant coin or what ant is about, you got to do some research on who is actually issuing that coin or what is happening. As you guys can see, ant actually stands for the Aragon Network token, and Aragon Network is where Honeyswap lies on. So that would be a great example on doing some research on what each coin is. Those are the Dosh tip basics for trading on Honeyswap. And if you guys want to see how I set up my screens, check this. Here I'm just making multiple screens of the same thing. Right, so there we have two screens, and I can actually trade back and forth if I want between the coins. Right, so on this I'm selling ant, and on this I'm selling cipher ant. So that's just a pretty simple example. And then as well, if you want to look at the analytics, you can pop open the analytics here. All right, now you got a full trading setup ready to go, and you can check and see what your favorite pair is or what you're trying to trade. And if you've made it this far, I'm going to give you guys a super awesome tip when you are trading. So in this example here, I'm going to trade my Honey for XDAI. Obviously this is the maximum amount I'd want to ever sell because Honey always goes up. So what I want to do here is I want to hit swap. And now I don't actually swap the currency. So if I want to see a change in the price, I wait for an updated price. So this can go either up or down. And this way you can actually wait and see when you think is a great price to buy it. So I'm just going to hang around this screen for a bit until we see a price change, and I will resume the video. And there we have it, guys. As you guys can see, the price updated. So technically this could be considered like a reminder or a sell and buy trigger. And now all I hit is accept, and as you guys can see, the price changed, and I can confirm the swap. And there you guys have it. If you guys want to know how to stake or provide liquidity and earn Honey or farming in the honeycomb, you guys can check out my video up top there. It's going to be linked. As well as if you haven't brought in your Ethereum onto the network, I'm going to be linking Decentralized Citizen brand new video on how to wrap Ethereum. Please check it out, and always stay tuned, like, subscribe, and bye for now.